In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap that sends new Typeform entries into ConvertKit automatically. This is a simple automation, but it can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually moving contact details from one tool to another, you'll set things up once and let Zapier handle the process in the background. By the end, every time someone submits your Typeform, their information can be added directly to the right tag or form in ConvertKit. To begin, create a new Zap in Zapier and set Typeform as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose the option for a new entry. This tells Zapier to watch your selected Typeform for every new submission that comes in. Once that's selected, connect your Typeform account if prompted, then choose the exact form you want to use. Be careful here and make sure you're selecting the correct form, especially if you manage more than one, because this determines where the data will come from. Next, set up the action step. Search for ConvertKit and choose it as the action app. Then select the action that adds a subscriber to a tag or form. This is the step that takes the information from Typeform and sends it into your ConvertKit account. After that, connect your ConvertKit account and choose the specific tag or form where you want these new subscribers to go. This is important because it helps keep your audience organized and make sure each new contact is added to the right part of your email system. Now it's time to map the fields. In the ConvertKit action setup, match the user's email address from Typeform to the email field in ConvertKit. Then do the same for the name field. Mapping simply means telling Zapier which answer from Typeform should be placed into which field in ConvertKit. This step is essential for making sure your subscriber information transfers accurately. If your Typeform uses clear question labels, this part will be much easier to review. Once everything looks correct, activate your Zap. Turning it on means the automation is now live and ready to run. From this point forward, each new Typeform submission will automatically be sent to ConvertKit based on the setup you just created. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly double-check that the right form, tag, and field mappings are in place. A small review now can prevent errors later. And that's it.